Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Monday the 18th of November. So starting off on the euro dollar, and what we've got here then. So euros put a bearish flag in effectively over the end part of last week and running into this morning, just short of its monthly pivot there. Has got a weekly pivot untouched below, which could be a draw. You can see it's running to resistance on the 4 hourly here of the 500, 200 moving averages. So we could see this roll over towards the 1035 area. Come down the hourlies, and this also shows some divergence and MACD divergence across the whole lot there for those that are looking at different indicators. Certainly some slight divergence on the RSI and some more divergence on the shorter time frame here. So divergence right away across the board there, with the potential for it to come back towards its daily, weekly pivots. So I'm looking for this morning. We'll wait post 8 o'clock. It's just before 8 o'clock, so I'm recording at the moment. I'll just watch for the price action and see if we can get into something there. So it's my preference this morning. Pound is a similar-ish bit of price action, but maybe stronger. If you look at, when you compare the patterns and everything else, this doesn't look like a bear flag. This looks like a continuation to the upside. And when you look at it here on the 4 hourly, strong. Yes, it has got the weekly pivot quite a long way below, which could become a target at some point. Some marginal divergences across maybe the hourly here. It's got quite extreme. We'll see if we get another push up at some point, but for now it looks solid-ish, and I'd watch this for the high lows, high highs, and maybe step aside from that. It may be one to watch for the retraces to carry on with the upside, but I think the euro's in its shape is better. Dollar yen in this daily picture, well, looks like it's pushing back up there. That's back to risk back on. It's pushed up a large part of the early part of last week, then flipped around a little bit here. Flipped around in the mid part of from the mid to late part of the last week. It pushed up there, running into its 4 hourly 50 as we sit here at the moment. It's 60-minute 200, same moving average effectively, just across the time frames because they're fractal. Again, this one has gone through its weekly pivot already. Daily pivot below. Maybe we saw some strengthening appear in the dollar yen. We can see a break of these lows here. We can see it coming back to the daily pivot. The range and targets are not fantastic. Aussie dollar, maybe not going to be looking at these quite so tightly with daily pivot where it's into its weekly pivot where it is at the moment. Daily pivot below, not many pips, not very interested. Dare I ever look at the Canadian dollar again after being told off so many times? It's pulled off quite well. It has got daily and weeklies above, which could be a draw to the upside here. I'm sure that in looking at MACD there'll be some divergence across these lows here, but or reasonable possibility of that, but not going to be bothered looking at it because I'm not going to be bothered trading it. And finally, New Zealand dollar. I'm going to take this back out to the dailies here. Looking for the bounce on Friday that occurred. It's still got potential, I believe, for further upside after that sort of more bullish outlook last week. It could end up continuing. However, it got an untouched weekly pivot below there at 63.81 sort of area. You see it clearer on this daily 60-minute chart with the daily pivots on it. Daily pivots below, the weekly pivots below, and these could easily both be touched without taking out that previous low, so and still give an opportunity for further upside. So there's some potential there. So as I said, really for me the soft one of the lot probably is this euro, and we could have further downside this morning post 8 o'clock. Have a great day. I was just about to have a look and just check out what news we got coming at. So today 10 p.m. Oh crikey, right, okay, nothing nothing during our normal trading day, so there is some potential later on to occur, but at the moment that's it. Have a great day. Bye for now.